Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning in. And today I've come across a brand new feature that LinkedIn have released, which no doubt is going to be available for all of us to use. So the new feature is a name pronunciation audio clip that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. So you can see here with my name, Mark Warnken, and next to it, we've got the speaker where I have already uploaded a 10-second audio clip that will help people pronounce my name correctly. You know what? I thought this is very cool. This is a great tool for us all to use because no doubt lots and lots of us have had our own name mispronounced incorrectly. Equally, I think all of us have pronounced someone else's name incorrectly. Now, the first person or the first LinkedIn profile that I actually saw this activated on was Darren Krakowiak. Darren's part of my network. He's a first level connection of mine and he's based down in Melbourne. And he's also the founder of CRE Success and he has his own podcast as well. So make sure you check out his LinkedIn profile. So let's click on the speaker icon and hear what he has to say.
Hi, I'm Darren Krakowiak. The W is pronounced as a V. I'm the founder of CRE Success, a coaching, consulting and mentoring firm, and the host of CRE Success, the podcast.
Clear and simple, and we all got to hear Darren correctly pronounce his name, which is what this feature is all about. And in case anyone is wondering, I did speak with Darren earlier on today, and he is more than happy for me to highlight his LinkedIn profile in my video. So back to my LinkedIn profile, and you may have noticed that I'm showing you the screen record via the iPad version at the moment. Now, I've done that for two reasons. The first reason is the speaker on my desktop computer wasn't working too good. So when I was playing those audio recordings, I wanted you to be actually able to hear them as clear as possible. But the main reason is this feature is only available to record and edit and upload via your mobile phone or your tablet. Now I'm actually recording it via my iPad because it's a larger screen. So I've taken you to the live screen record on my iPad because you can't actually do it on the desktop version. So how do we record and edit and upload the name pronunciation feature? We're going to click on the little pen icon next to the gold LinkedIn logo. And when I click on that, it's going to take you to behind the scenes or the edit part of my profile where I can do lots of things. And right in the middle of the screen, you can now see your audio recording. You can see an extra pen icon and you can see another one that says visible to all LinkedIn members. So I've already uploaded my 10-second audio clip. And I have ticked the box it's available to all LinkedIn members. But you could tick the box and it would only be available to be heard from your first degrees. I will leave that choice up to you. So how do we record and edit? We click on the pen icon. I have already recorded one, as I mentioned, so I'm going to delete this pronunciation. So I'm going to start from scratch so I can show everyone how to do it. So add name pronunciation. So there we go, and it's brought up the audio record button here on my iPad. Now remembering we only get 10 seconds, so we need to be short and sharp. And let me show everyone how to do all of that. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thank you for viewing my profile and hopefully you're having a fantastic day. So it can be as simple as that. So I'm now going to either apply that, meaning I am happy with that recording, or I could click retake and record it again, but I'm happy with that, so I'm going to apply. I'm going to press save up the top, and that's how simple it is to record and upload your name pronunciation, so taking advantage of this new LinkedIn feature. So let's now click the little icon that has the voice icon and hear the result. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thank you for viewing my profile and hopefully you're having a fantastic day. So there we go. It's as simple as that to take advantage of this new LinkedIn feature. Now for lots and lots of people, millions and millions, probably hundreds of millions of people around the world, it's going to be a feature that they will take advantage of. But there's probably going to be just as many and maybe even more where they won't need to take advantage of the name pronunciation feature.